So, continuing with our lecture series on named reactions, this is our 11th lecture, and in the previous two lectures, we have discussed about still coupling and still Kelly coupling. Then another modification of still coupling reaction is still carbonylative cross coupling reaction. So, as I told you, that still reaction involves the reaction of organohalides or pseudohalides like triplets, phosphate esters or acetates with organotin compounds in presence of palladium compounds as catalyst for formation of a new carbon-carbon bond between one part from the organic halide and one part from the organotin compound to give us different types of organic compounds. And in case of synthesis of these types of coupling reactions, ketones, they can be synthesized from the corresponding acid chlorides. But it has been seen that in case of synthesis of ketones, the use of acid chlorides is sometimes not very effective because of the presence of other sensitive functional groups, which can also undergo different types of side reactions. So, because of that, for the synthesis of ketones, particularly, this modification of still coupling reaction has been done, where the ketones they can be synthesized from the corresponding organic halides or pseudo halides by insertion of carbon monoxide instead of using acid chlorides. So the mechanism of this type of reaction is almost same as we have seen in case of still coupling, and only additional part is the insertion of carbon monoxide which is used for introduction of carbonyl compound for the synthesis of ketones. So basically what happens is, as we have seen in case of the mechanism of still reaction, the palladium compounds which act as catalyst in its zero oxidation state undergo oxidative addition with the substrate, that is organic halide, to get converted into palladium 2 intermediates. Then these palladium 2 intermediates, they undergo insertion of carbon monoxide in case of still carbonylative cross coupling reaction, and we will get these types of intermediates, and then this carbon monoxide will be inserted between this R and palladium to give us these types of acyl palladium 2 intermediates. Then this acyl palladium 2 intermediates, they undergo transmetallation in presence of distananes, and R group from the stannane, say R1 from here, is shifted to the palladium intermediate by replacing X of this palladium intermediate by this R1. So this is transmetallation, which leads to the formation of these types of palladium 2 intermediates, and these palladium 2 intermediates then they undergo reductive elimination to regenerate the palladium 0 catalyst, and the formation of ketones takes place. And here the rate determining step is this transmetallation step in case of still carbonylative cross coupling reactions. Some examples of this still carbonylative cross coupling reaction is total synthesis of strychnine. So strychnine can be synthesized from the reaction of these types of heterocyclic aryl iodides with these types of organotin compounds in presence of palladium complexes. So basically what will happen, this iodide part of the aryl iodide will undergo carbon-carbon bond formation between this aromatic ring and this carbon-carbon bond to give us these types of intermediate products through still carbonylative cross-coupling reaction where carbon monoxide is inserted between this carbon bond and this carbon bond as seen. And then this still carbonylative cross-coupling product through 9 more steps can be converted into this type of natural product alkali. Then the these types of benzophenone phosphors, they can be synthesized through still carbonylative cross-coupling reaction. So when these types of organic iodides, they are reacted with these types of organotin compounds, and carbon monoxide is inserted in between them, then benzophenone phosphors, they can be synthesized. Basically what will happen, this carbon and this carbon, they will get inserted a carbon monoxide molecule between them, and still carbonylative cross coupling will take place to give us these types of products. So 4-benzoyl L-phenyl alanine peptidase peptides, these types, they are also used as photo affinity labeling properties. They can be synthesized like this. Then Jatrafone, this is a natural product. This can also be synthesized through still carbonylative cross coupling reaction. So you can see over here, this is an intramolecular reaction where this vinyl triflate is present as organohalide part, and this is organotin compound part which is present within the same molecule, and through carbon monoxide insertion, this will lead to the formation of a carbonyl group in between these uh, alkene parts with the elimination of ODF and tributyl tin from here. And cyclization will take place to give us this type of 11-membered macrocyclic ring through a still carbonylative cross coupling. So these are the references which have been used for preparing this lecture. Thank you very much.